Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll begin by confirming capability. Check that your Sony TV supports Miracast or has Chromecast built in. Once done, make sure both the TV and your phone or laptop are on the same Wi-Fi network. 2, 4 or 5 GHz works. Next, enable the TV's screen mirroring or Google Cast option in Settings, Network, and Accessories. This lets the TV advertise itself. After that, open the casting option on your device so the TV shows up in its list. Don't skip enabling visibility. Now you'll initiate the connection from your device. On a phone, open Cast, AirPlay, or SmartView. On a Windows laptop, use Project Connect to a wireless display. On Mac OS, use AirPlay. Once your Sony TV appears, tap or click its name and accept any PIN shown on the TV. After pairing, check device output settings. Choose the TV as audio and video target and lower resolution if the stream stutters. This reduces lag and keeps the picture steady. Finish by confirming control. Use remote or device to stop, pause, and adjust volume, mirror orientation, and full screen as needed. If the connection drops, restart both the Sony TV and your source device, then reconnect to the same Wi-Fi. As a reliable fallback, plug an HDMI cable directly into the TV. If problems persist, check router band and reduce interference, install the latest TV firmware, and verify that firewall or VPN settings aren't blocking the cast. These steps fix most stubborn issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.